Some of the responses that I've gotten from this have been amazing. When people see this, they're like, who does your work for you? Hey everyone, Gary White here with High Definition Coaching, and I'm thrilled to get to share with you today one of the secrets of my success. Ripplify Media. Jayson Price in his studio does such a tremendous job at bringing out your message and bringing out your level of professionalism. I was looking for a way to bring my course content to life and get it out to people that I would ordinarily not be able to meet. And Jayson had just what I needed in his studio at Ripplify Media. I came in and Jayson had everything prepared for me. It went off without a hitch. I got an entire course laid out and digitally recorded in one day. And within just a few short weeks, he had edited it and had a deliverable product to me. One of the exciting things about the course content that I've created at Ripplify Media is that I have people in other states and other parts of the world that I would ordinarily not be able to reach. And those who have seen my videos and seen the content are actively sharing it with people across the world. Now that's just an avenue of advertisement and scalability and growth in my business that I would not have if I didn't have this product that Jayson had put together for me. And I'm making plans to do even more with Jayson. I would recommend him to anyone, and especially those of you listening, simply for course content creation. There's no one like him. It's just like having Hollywood and Panama City Beach. And you get those two together, you got a winning combination. Let me tell you, Gary White, High Definition Coaching, I highly recommend Ripplify Media.